Hi, I'm Kylie, and this is Safira, and today we're going to show you a fun desensitizing exercise called Slap and Walk. Slap and Walk is a desensitizing exercise that helps develop the ground tying skills of your horse. The purpose of it is to develop a trusting relationship with your horse so that they stay calm and relaxed while there are crazy things happening around them. Before you start this process, you need to make sure you've done your homework. Here at Barassi Ranch, we recommend that you do the round penning, ground tying, and the desensitizing to the stick and string. These three are going to be very important for this exercise. The horse needs to be able to understand your body language, and they need to not be afraid of the tools that you're using. And most importantly, they need to know how to ground tie. Because Slap and Walk builds on ground tying, it's really important to do the ground tying first. As you're using that stick to slap the ground and walk around them, you need to make sure that that horse is not going to move. Without ground tying, you cannot do this exercise. The process of teaching your horse Slap and Walk is to start by standing right next to them, and you use the stick and string, and you start with low energy and you slap the ground, and you do this and you make sure that your horse is standing still. If they don't stand still, continue to do this until they stand still. Once they stand still, take the pressure away, give them a little rub, and then begin low energy again. And then slowly work your way up to medium energy and then high energy. You do this on both sides, and once the horse is good on both sides, go back to the ground tying exercise and just touch up on the ground tying. That way your horse, it's fresh in your brain and they know, okay, when that lead rope drops, I don't move. Then you go back and you do the same thing. You drop the lead rope, and starting with low energy, you use the stick and you slap the ground and you start to walk back and forth. And if your horse isn't moving, go ahead and walk around him. Walk behind him, walk in front of him, go the other direction, all with low energy. And when your horse is not moving at all, you can move to medium energy. Same thing, walk all around him, and then you can go to high energy after that. We at the Barassi Ranch teach that if your horse is not feeling comfortable with this exercise, take a step back. So here for the Slap and Walk, if your horse starts to move when you are, say, using medium pressure and you're walking around the horse, take a step back. Maybe just do the soft pressure. And then if they're still not comfortable with that, maybe you have to go back to ground tying, or maybe you have to go back to desensitizing to the stick and string. And you might even have to go as far back as round penning. This would probably just get your horse thinking again and getting their focus back on you. From there, you can make your way back up to Slap and Walk. Make sure that when you come back up to your exercise, hit each point on the way back up, just to quickly put it back in their mind so it's really fresh. This exercise is complete when you can walk all the way around them, both directions, using the stick and string to slap the ground with high energy, and your horse doesn't move at all. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more, check out our Mustang training playlist for more videos. We'll see you next time.